Hello everyone, my name is Lakshya Thakur and I am presenting my project today that is Motion Area Security Alarm using multiple sensors in Tinkercad. This is a real world problem. Unauthorized entry or movement in the restricted zone, especially with or when there is no one around. Basic systems are often prone to false alarms, so I can come up with a solution that involves using multiple sensors to false alarm and improve insurance. In this system, I have a PR motion sensor that is over here that will basically detect movement. A photoresistor that is also known as LDR, this is over here, that detects ambient lights. In other words, it will let me know if it's dark. An ultrasonic sensor that will allow me to measure the distance between an object and the sensor. This is over here. A buzzer and a LED that will output indicator of the alarm. The buzzer is always here. All the parts I needed can be found in the Tinkercad and they will be all connected to an Arduino Uno over here. And there is also one light, the red light, and a resistor of 220 ohms, and in the LDR there is a resistor of 10 k ohm. In this circuit, the PR sensor is connected to a digital pin 2 over here, like the digital pin 2. It detects movement. The LDR is a part of the voltage divider circuit. The output goes to analog pin A0 over here. This device allows me to measure light levels. The ultrasonic sensor is similar to the PR, except the trigger and echo pins utilize pins 3 and 4, allowing me to measure distance. The buzzer is connected to pin 8 and the LED is connected to pin 13. This is the output alarm of the system. Now, the code that I've used for this task is over here. This board have three sensors. If the LDR sees no light, the PR picks up the movement and the ultrasonic sensor registers an object within 1 meter of it. The buzzer and the LED will activate to signal an alarm. If not, the system stores the value and does nothing to prevent false alarm in daylight or when no subject are nearby. In this, I have initialized first pin all the pin at the starting, and then moving downward there are some loops over in the starting, and then the if else, and there is a delay of 200 milliseconds, and it is an LDR. It is in the serial monitor. It will show the LDR distance motion, and now I'm going to show you how the system works in Tinkercad. Firstly, I will simulate darkness and lower the light level on the LDR, like over here. I will go to the LDR. Firstly, I have to start the simulation. Then clicking on the LDR, and the darkness is lower. Then I will simulate to the movement by triggering the PR system over here. This is the movement. This can be changed. Finally, I will trigger the circle on the ultrasonic to be within 1 meter, signifying someone is coming near. Over here, like this can be also moved and seeing the sensor from 1 meter. As you can see, when all three conditions are met, the buzzer will sound and the LED will light up. It signifies alarm. If any of the conditions are not met, it's bright, no movement or nothing is close. The alarm will not sound. So after starting the simulation, the simulation is already started. Now we have to resume the execution. And then after going to the serial monitor, we can see that the LDR is giving that the different temperature and the distance. If we go to the ultrasonic and then go to the ultrasonic, then we move the spot to 1 meter, it will change the distance. Now it is 230. Now we will move to the right and it will change to 284. Now we will head up to straight towards top. Now it's in 302. This project show how creating a more reliable system by combining multiple sensors can be established using microcontrollers. This system can be used in homes, office, or warehouse to help mitigate false alarm and hopefully improve safety. I learned how to combine multiple sensors and write multiple conditional logic in Arduino and simulate everything in the Tinkercad environment through this project. Thank you for watching my presentation.